Rainy days call for gumbo and honey butter cornbread. But first, let's set the mood. And now it's time to make a hurricane. I have to fit the theme. Listen, with this cocktail recipe, you will need the grenadine and the simple syrup. Do not make my mistake. I tried to cut out the sugar and I paid for it. Sorry, shake it with purpose. And it looks good. It looks so refreshing. I was so excited to try it. It's a gorgeous drink. Yeah. Straight liquor. I couldn't even get into it. That is the reaction I was looking for. Yes, I don't like to taste the liquor. I don't want to know there's liquor in my drinks. So now it is time to move on to the cornbread, and I love my cornbread sweet. The only time I do not like sweet cornbread is when I am eating chili, and then I like jalapeno cheddar. Oh, so fire. I completely forgot to introduce myself. Hey, it is your girl Joey Lisette, and welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of my self-love series. I really believe cooking and self-love go hand in hand. The time and energy that goes into cooking is such a beautiful and romantic way to show appreciation, especially if acts of service is your love language. Think about it. You are taking the time to chop, saute, blend, mix, and season. Who do we cook for? People we love. Who do we learn new recipes for? People we love. So, it would make sense that cooking can lead to not only self-love, but self-discovery. Cooking helps boost your confidence. It is a necessary skill to learn. And the more you learn, the more confident you become. At least, that's how I am. Anytime I get a new certification or skill under my belt, man, you can't tell me anything. Another tip to my ladies who are cooking: clean as you go. Trust me, it makes a world of a difference. So by the time you finish cooking, the only thing left is to just enjoy. And here I am washing those vegetables. And it is time to clean that chicken. I'm using vinegar, lemon, and water. I'm also going to trim some of the fat. Not all, because I do want it to render when I saute the chicken. Also, please comment below what playlist you listen to when cooking. Usually, I'm not a music girl. I'm more of a documentary, a docu-series. I like to have something playing in the background. And also, if you want to see me making more recipes, comment below too. I really did enjoy cooking. This was so therapeutic for me. And that is a part of why I wanted to film this Cook With Me series. This is for the ladies who want to learn to love themselves, but can't necessarily go on a $1,000 shopping spree or travel out of the country. Cooking is an escape. It is an out. When I cook, I am in my own little world. The issues that bothered me this morning are gone. The anxiety I felt last night disappears. It is just me and my ingredients. Gumbo is such a hearty, rich, and flavorful dish. It is one of my favorites. You can add seafood or no seafood. I add shrimp, crab, chicken, and okra. Okra is optional, but not for me. And when you cook, yes, you get to sample. Don't tell anyone. This cornbread is so good. It is amazing. Oh my gosh. The hardest part about gumbo is making the roux. You combine about a cup, I'm pretty sure it's half a cup or a cup of flour, and you mix until it becomes like a chocolate brown color, which takes 20 to 30 minutes, and you have to watch it so it doesn't burn. And it does splatter, because I got hit twice. That is the hardest part about this dish, but it is very necessary. Cocktail break. And now I add the veggies, and that is the holy trinity: celery, bell peppers, and onions. And it smells so good. One of my favorite places I've ever visited was New Orleans, and it was strictly for the food. They have, in my opinion, the best food in the United States. Their food is filled with love and quality, and I have not been able to find it anywhere outside of New Orleans. The hospitality is equally amazing, and I just love the accent. If you can, please invest in a rice cooker. I'm sorry. That is the best thing I've ever invested in. It is a lifesaver. It cooks it perfectly every single time. Oh, look at that. Perfection. This just looks so amazing. I am just, wow. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below any questions you have about cooking or self-love, or any videos you want me to do in the future. I'm just remembering this taste. That look is enough. It was so freaking good. Thank you for watching. Bye.